Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Rasna Popsicle step by step. Start by rinsing and chopping fruit, then measure Rasna concentrate and water precisely. Combine fruit, Rasna, and optional sugar in a blender until smooth and uniform. Taste and adjust sweetness, then pour into popsicle molds, leaving small headspace for expansion. Add sticks, freeze flat for 4 hours or until solid, and unmold carefully for serving. Blend ingredients in short pulses so the mixture stays cold and retains texture. If using sugar, dissolve it in a little warm water first for even sweetness throughout. For extra creaminess, add a splash of milk or coconut milk and blend gently. Always taste a small sample to check balance before filling molds. Pour slowly to avoid bubbles and tap molds on the counter to release trapped air. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: on another note, try relaxing with the new Kindle Paperwhite while your Rasna Popsicles set. It makes waiting a little nicer. You can find the link and more deals in the description so you can read anywhere. Thanks for watching this short pause. Now let's get back to the video. Place molds on a level tray to ensure uniform freezing and straight sticks. Freeze for at least 4 hours, but overnight is best for hard-set popsicles. To unmold, briefly run warm water over the outside of the mold until edges loosen, then gently pull the stick. Present popsicles on a platter with napkins to catch drips. Store extras upright in a sealed container to prevent freezer odors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.